Have you ever looked up at the moon and imagined it suddenly vanishing? No explosion, no fading, just gone, leaving only the blackness of space. It sounds like science fiction, but if this happened, the effects would be real and terrifying. You see, the moon isn't just a pretty light in our night sky. It's the invisible hand that keeps our planet balanced, our climate stable, and even our days manageable. So what if one night the moon simply disappeared? The very first sign of disaster would come from the oceans. Right now, the moon's gravity tugs at Earth's water, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of tides that every coastal life form depends on. Without the moon, tides would shrink by 75%. Coastal ecosystems would collapse within weeks. Crabs, coral reefs, fish nurseries, gone. The smell of decay would fill the shorelines, and beaches would turn stagnant. Marine species that depend on tidal cycles for feeding and reproduction would vanish, triggering a ripple effect that would reach deep into the food chain. You might not notice it at first, but Earth's tilt, its axial stability, would begin to drift. The moon acts like an anchor, keeping our planet tilted at 23.5 degrees. Without that anchor, Earth's axis could swing chaotically anywhere between 10 degrees and 45 degrees. Imagine seasons flipping unpredictably, Antarctica melting while the Sahara turns to ice. The weather would no longer follow patterns. Agriculture would collapse as crops failed to adapt to sudden temperature shifts. In just a few centuries, Earth could turn from a paradise to a planet of extremes. For the first time in human history, the night sky would be truly black. Moonlight is brighter than most people realize. It helps animals hunt, migrate, and mate. Without it, predators like wolves would lose their timing, while sea turtles would wander aimlessly, unable to find the ocean after hatching. Even humans would feel it. Studies show moonlight affects sleep, mood, and hormones. With total darkness every night, people would experience more anxiety, fear, and isolation. Our connection to the natural rhythm of day and night would break forever. Here's something most people don't know. The moon is slowly slowing Earth's rotation. Every century, our days get about 1.7 milliseconds longer. Without the moon, that break disappears. Earth would start spinning slightly faster each day. Within thousands of years, days could shorten to just 18 hours. That means shorter daylight, faster jet streams, and more violent weather systems. Humans, animals, and plants, all built on a 24-hour rhythm, would struggle to adapt. A faster spinning Earth would mean an angrier atmosphere. Winds could reach speeds never seen before. Super hurricanes forming across oceans. Imagine storm systems wrapping around the planet like endless ribbons. Coastal cities would vanish under constant flooding and wind destruction. The sky itself would turn unstable. Jet streams twisting unpredictably, planes unable to fly safely. Weather forecasting would become impossible. Human civilization would be constantly at war with nature's fury. Deep beneath our feet, the moon's gravitational tug subtly influences Earth's molten core. Without it, that delicate motion could shift over time. The planet's magnetic field, the invisible shield that protects us from solar radiation, could weaken or become unstable. Solar flares and cosmic rays would bombard the atmosphere, stripping it away bit by bit. Auroras would glow farther south, but they'd be warnings, not wonders. Radiation levels would spike, electronics would fail, and life near the surface would become dangerous. With Earth's systems falling apart, tides gone, weather raging, radiation rising, the planet would enter a long period of chaos. Ocean currents that regulate climate would collapse, throwing the planet into alternating freezes and heat waves. Mass extinction events would follow, hitting both land and sea species. Cities would crumble under natural disasters. The disappearance of the moon would not just change Earth, it would unmake the world as we know it. But life always finds a way. Some species might evolve new ways to sense time without tides or moonlight. Humans could retreat underground or into shielded megacities powered by artificial light cycles. Our calendars, our biology, even our psychology would adapt to a moonless world. But it wouldn't be Earth as we know it. It would be a planet reborn through struggle, chaos, and survival. So what if the moon disappeared? The truth is, it wouldn't be instant destruction, but a slow unraveling of everything stable about our world. The moon is not just a rock, it's a cosmic guardian, a silent partner keeping Earth alive. Without it, there would be no balance and possibly no us. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, that glowing sphere isn't just beautiful, it's the reason we exist. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, share, and subscribe to Factology, where we uncover the science behind every what if. Until next time, stay curious.